All right, so you did everything. Every guided pause, affirmation, visualization, every kind of investigation, coming back to your I am. Every single time you reminded yourself that you are the wish fulfilled. You stopped trying, you stopped checking, you even felt so at peace with it that you swore it was a done deal. And yet, nothing. No text, no money, no breakthrough, no movement. You trusted, you rested, you didn't force it. And here you are, right? Waiting, disappointed, confused. And that voice in the back of your head, it's back. It says, well, what did I do wrong? I guess it wasn't meant for me. Maybe I didn't believe hard enough. Maybe I need to start over. Or maybe I should just give up. And here's where most people get trapped. They think disappointment means failure. But that's not the problem. The disappointment itself is not even the issue. It's what happens right after, You take that feeling or disappointment and you create a whole new story around it. We think, if I was truly in the state, I wouldn't feel this way. This means I was never really in the wish fulfilled. Maybe I should start affirming again. Maybe I should do a challenge. Maybe I just lost it. Do you see what just happened? You reacted to the reaction. And that's what's keeping you stuck. Not the disappointment itself, but the story you attach to it. And I know you like examples. So I had a client once who came to me and she was devastated. She had been doing this work for months, really settling into knowing that her specific person was already hers. She even got to a point where she wasn't checking their social media, was not waiting for signs, wasn't caught up in needing them to text. And she swore that she could feel it. And she told me this was a few years ago. It was already done. I had no doubts. I was not wavering. I just knew. And then weeks passed. Nothing. She got frustrated, then angry, then defeated. And the next thing she knew, she was spiraling back into her old way of thinking, overthinking, overanalyzing, wondering if she had lost all her progress. And do you see what happened? She wasn't even upset that her specific person had not texted. She was upset that she was upset. And that is where she got temporarily trapped. The reaction to the reaction. She thought feeling disappointed meant that she was not in the state anymore. She thought her human moment meant that she had failed. She thought she needed to start over. But no, you don't have to start over. You just have to stop running from the experience you're having right now. That's all you need to do. That's all I need to do. So what do you actually do? And here's where people go wrong. They try to fight disappointment. They try to fix it. But stay with me. Disappointment only lasts as long as your attachment to the story does. The moment you stop trying to get rid of it or figure it out, the moment you stop reacting to it, it loses its grip on you. So instead of spiraling, ask yourself this: is disappointment here in this moment? Yes or no? No overthinking, no analyzing, just answer the question. And if the answer is yes, then let it be here. Do nothing about it, just for now, as an experiment. Now ask yourself, Who told me that disappointment means that something went wrong? Now, this can be a big one, because you've been conditioned to think that if something is not here yet, it means failure. But who told you that? Who told you that delay means denial? The next question: where does disappointment actually show up? Like physical sensation wise. Is it in your chest? In your stomach? Is there a tightness, a pressure, a heaviness? See the sensation directly without a story, without a label. And notice the moment you just be with this, be present with this, instead of trying to escape it, it starts to dissolve gradually. Now, the next question. Ask yourself, did the I am change? Did the awareness change? This is a big one. No matter how disappointed you feel, did your true nature, did awareness itself behind all feelings change? No, it did not. The I am, the awareness, is still here. The awareness of disappointment is still the same awareness that was here when you felt completely certain. Awareness is like that blank screen on which the image plays. So nothing has changed except a passing mood. And moods do not create awareness, and they do not create reality. Awareness is the source of all reality. And now think about this. You walk outside and you see the sun. And some days it's bright and shining, and some days it's covered by clouds. But is it actually gone? Is the sun actually gone? No, it's right there, unchanged, just beneath the shifting weather. And that's you. Some days you feel completely locked in. Some days you feel doubt, fear, or disappointment. But did you, the one aware of all of it, actually change? No, you're not the shifting weather. You're the constant sky. You're not just that weather that's moving, you're that constant sky. And when you see this, it's less likely that the waves of emotions throw you. So disappointment is not proof that anything went wrong. Who even said it was proof of that? Reacting to the reaction is what is keeping you stuck momentarily. So let every feeling be here without the story, and it loses its hold. So the I am never left. Nothing needs to be fixed. Your biggest mistake is not feeling disappointed. It's the misunderstanding that believing that feeling disappointed means anything at all. So the next time that frustration comes up, that sadness, that doubt, just let it be here. Do nothing about it. See it without the labels. And watch how fast it burns itself out. This is how you stop spiraling. This is how you stop feeling like you need to start over or that you're starting from scratch. This is how you stay in the knowing, no matter what. Because you were never out of it in the first place. You were never out of your true nature. So if you think you need a sign to trust, you think you need to see movement to believe, you think you need proof before you can relax in your I am or awareness. But I want to know, who told you that reality has to prove itself to you before you believe it's done? Who said anything is going wrong? Be with this and don't move until you see the truth for yourself. And that's it. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. And if you want help getting unstuck, you can email me at hello@anilareddy.com. That's where I help people break through these patterns experientially, somatically. And no, we're not digging for unending beliefs. No. Because at the end of the day, you're already in the wish fulfilled. You just have to stop believing every passing cloud means that the sun is gone. And I will see you in the comments. And if you want to know of any of my mini courses like Relaxing Your Fix Yourself, like Unwind, they're all in the description. I'll see you soon.